Here's a cool thing that you can do with the Control button. So say you want to format all of these titles the same way. So I highlight it and then I hold Control and I can highlight two things at once. I release Control because if I keep holding it, it's going to zoom in and out with my mouse wheel. So I do that quite often when I'm trying to work too fast. But then I press Control again and highlight, scroll down, press Control, highlight, release, scroll down. But then when I scroll up, see, all of those are now highlighted. So I can format them all the same way, borders and shading. I can say, oh, I want these all to have the same border. So let's give them that. If I want to change the color, let's do that. And maybe I don't want it quite so big, so let's do that. And then that's going to border all around. Maybe I just want a top and bottom. So there we go, click, click. But see now, that may not match up. So I can do that one that way and do the opposite. Let's see, where's the opposite? Right here is right on the bottom. So that way it'll look a little more uniform. And then the width should be the same for both. There we go. And then I say OK. And now all of them have the same formatting, same color, the same borders. I can center them all. I can change their design. I can change the font. I can change their size. I can change if they're bold or italic. And they all look the same. Or I can go and I can change their header format. Say I want them to all have heading 2 format. And that will remove my border and everything else and put it at heading 2. So, or Control Z if I like what I did better. But you can give it a heading or you can just design it as you want. So that's something cool you can do when you press and hold Control. You can format multiple things at the same time, such as titles.